Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Nice. Nice. Hello world, it is your Unkle Heavy. Today I'm on location in Niagara Falls, Ontario. I'm on Clifton Hill again, and look at this. Behind me is Frankenstein's castle. Now, I've done Frankenstein's castle in the past, you've seen it before, but today I'm doing something real special. There is a rooftop roller coaster here that I have been wanting to do since 2020, so I'm here today to go up on that roof and ride that coaster. Let's go get some tickets and see what kind of trouble I can get into. Do you come along?
Unkle Heavy!
Unkle Heavy! Unkle Heavy! Now the big question is, I'm in Niagara Falls, New York today doing another vlog. Do I want to take the walk over to Canada and find something interesting to do over there? I think so. I think I owe it to myself to go to Canada today. Let's go to Canada. I'm doing it. Let's go. And second turnstile. I have to get Canadian money while I'm over there. I am doing something unusual. I'm going out today to find an adventure. Have no idea, no plan what I'm going to do over in Niagara Falls, Canada today. Maybe something on Clifton Hill, maybe something surrounding, no clue. But I was in the area filming another vlog. I figured, let's go to Canada, have some lunch, make another video. So let's start with our usual view of the Maids of the Mist loading up and heading towards the falls. It's the weekend after Memorial Day weekend, and it's like 50 degrees out here today. So I'm cold. I'm always cold. I don't know why I don't dress better for these sort of adventures, but this is where I am today. Long way down. So I've been to Canada a couple times while I was in my hiatus. Didn't really feel like filming. You heard the whole story. So I want to go over here and see how much has changed. It's only been a couple of months, maybe a year. I have no idea. It's been a while since I've been in Niagara Falls and Clifton Hill. We'll find out. I always got to stop and film the American and Canadian flags as you cross over from America to Canada. And I never get bored of the landscape on the Canadian side. It's so windy here. Going to Canada. That sign's starting to look a little bit weathered. I think they need to touch up the paint. Now, only those who have watched and followed this channel will get this, but it's good to see my friend Bumblebee is there working as per usual. Hello, Bumblebee. It's been a while. Always love turning around this corner to see my beloved Clifton Hill. Amazing. So many golden attractions here. I just love it. I just got to pick one of them to do that I haven't done yet. Don't know. Ripley's is still right where I left it, and there's the big wheel and the midway that way. I honestly have no idea what I'm gonna do here today. This town is my oyster, and I gotta pick something. I think I've just decided what I want to do on Clifton Hill here today. As I walk up the hill here in Clifton Hill, I'm greeted by a familiar sight. The good old Frankenstein with his whopper on the House of Frankenstein. Now, we've done this house in the past, but what I want to see is this. This is this coaster that I've been wanting to ride for a long, long time, and now today I'm going to do it. I love spontaneous trips to Clifton Hill. Let's go check out this awesome thing. It's become somewhat of a tradition that for whatever reason when I come to Clifton Hill I have to eat at this Burger King and get a Canadian Whopper. I don't know that there's much difference between an American and a Canadian Whopper, but I call it a Canadian Whopper. Probably because the view from this restaurant is kind of cool. Got a nice view of the big wheel there and all the other tourist attractions. Canadian Whopper Jr. with cheese. If I was told, I'd call that the big bite, but I'm not, so I won't. Now, I've done the inside of the haunted house before, But today I'm not here to do the haunted house. I'm here to do something way cool. Right now it looks like they're loading up some more people.
So the cost of the roller coaster inside the haunted house. You can do one for $13.95, or you could do both attractions for $24.95.
All right, so we're just doing the coaster today. So we have to go through a bit of a spooky area to get to the coaster. And I remember coming here with
the 13 haunted steps where you will be on your own.
Hi, just doing the good. How are you? Just doing the coaster. Don't want to be scared today.
Have you got scared before?
Okay.
Have you been scared before?
What's that?
Have you ever been scared before?
Oh yeah, a couple times. So
Enjoy.
thank you. So this is the stairs to the coaster. It's still nice and spooky. It says this way. I have never been up here before. Look at the view. There's no turning back now. I just want to stop and get a view of this place. This is so cool. This was closed for many years when I was coming here. Hello. Good. Got one for you?
Thanks, sir. If you want to take the cameras, you can either take scene number 3 if you really want to record. You can wait for the next round.
Do you mind if I wait for the next one?
Sure.
Yeah.
We'll get your ticket. I got your ticket.
You'll be there. Okay. And look, I got a shot of the Frankenstein with his whopper. Awesome. Good news is they're going to let me film while I'm on it. I always love doing an attraction that I've never done before. That's so cool. We're on board here. Excellent.
All your stuff in your pocket.
Yep. Everything is secure. All right, here we go. Never did this before. Here we go. Oh, this has that nice sort of old school roller coaster. Whoa! Oh my gosh. It's very rickety. But look at that view. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Woohoo! Nice. Nice. Woohoo! Oh my. Nice. Yes, please. I love it. I've been waiting for years to do this. They didn't let me go a second round. Hey, there's Louis Toussaint. Wow. I mean, just the view alone up here. But this is so cool. Like you're right on the edge of dropping in the street. Woohoo! Nice! Nice! Ah! I don't know if this is filming, but ah! Ah! Alright, if you want to go one more time, one more, yeah. What the heck? Alright, that's 3 times. 3 times. Woohoo! Look at that view. Now this curve here is the best one yet because it looks like you're gonna drop off. And then you're gonna drop off the top here. And then this one's a little bit more safe. But oh my god. Woo! Yeah! Woo! No more. That's enough. Oh. Yep. Thank you so much. No problem. Oh. So that was amazing. I absolutely loved it. Worth the wait.
Where are you from?
Just Niagara Falls, New York.
Oh, okay.
All right, that was awesome. That was so cool. They let me ride it 3 times. And look at it. That's just so cool. I mean, I'm gonna show you from here. This bend right here, you look like you're gonna go right off into the street. Tell me it's the only rooftop roller coaster in Canada, so 100 thumbs up. Do check it out when you're on Clifton Hill. And check out the haunted house too. Go look at my old video there, you'll like it. All right, let's exit out. That was a lot of fun. That was a lot of fun. And they end it with a nice, dramatic Frankenstein's castle exit. Jesus! That got me. I was not expecting that. I always love a good compressed air scare like that. Was not expecting that. Awesome, guys. Awesome job. Back out into the sunlight. Now this bend right here, you're going to see them come around this corner in a second here. This is the best bend of them all because it looks like you're going to come right off that rail and into the street. I love it. I love this ride. I love everything about this ride. It's awesome. I always like ending out a nice day in Clifton Hill, even though it's freezing, 50 degrees. A nice ice cream cone. Always a little kid in me. That was a lot of fun, but as I always say, time to head back to America. I want to take a second here and just say thank you to other people who reached out to me about my mom's video. A lot of kind words, a lot of really great people reached out to me, make sure I was doing okay, both in comments and in emails and in person. So thank you all. It's so nice to know that I'm cared for out there. But you know what? I can't leave Clifton Hill without riding my beloved Ghost Blasters. It's tradition, I just have to. Hello, sir. Going for a ride again. Going in for Ghost Blasters. I always love to do this ride. All right, let's shoot some ghosts. Ooh, this is kind of spooky. Look at those points just racking up. Wow, I'm on fire today. Spooky. know it's here. I know it's here. Where is it? Where is it? Where's that blast? Where's the air blast? Always a good time. Alright, now my day is complete. I can go back home. Overall, I just absolutely love my Clifton Hill experiences. I'll certainly be back. This one was a good one. Big shout to the folks at House of Frankenstein for letting me ride the ride 3 times today. That was awesome, guys. I always love stopping to take a look at those falls. Every time. Every time. That's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I really enjoyed making it. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to stay tuned. I'll have lots of adventures coming really, really soon. Till next time, signing off from Niagara Falls, Ontario. Bye-bye.